Preach and live as if Jesus was crucified yesterday, rose today, and is coming back tomorrow. That kind of urgency changes everything. If you truly believe Jesus was crucified just yesterday, if the image of him hanging on that cross was fresh in your mind, you wouldn't take his sacrifice lightly. You wouldn't walk around numb to grace or casual with sin. You'd remember the nails, the crown of thorns, the blood that was shed, not just for the world, but for you. That kind of love demands more than Sunday faith. It calls for a life fully surrendered. And if he rose from the grave today, if the stone just rolled away, if the tomb was still empty this morning, you wouldn't live in defeat. You wouldn't walk around carrying shame or fear. You'd live with resurrection power pulsing through your veins. You'd understand that death doesn't have the final word, that no situation is too hopeless and no chain too strong. The same spirit that raised Christ from the dead now lives in you. And that should stir something deep in your soul. Now, imagine if he's coming tomorrow. What would you do differently? Would you pray with more fire? Would you love harder, forgive quicker, speak bolder, and live cleaner? Would you finally let go of the petty things that steal your peace? Would you share the gospel with that friend or family member who still doesn't know him? You see, when we live with that kind of urgency, cross behind us, resurrection within us, and eternity ahead of us, our priorities shift. We stop playing church and start being the church. We stop living for comfort and start living on mission. We don't just believe in Jesus, we follow him, honor him, and expect him. So preach like he died yesterday, live like he rose today, and prepare like he's coming back tomorrow because, well, he is. The cross was real, the resurrection is real, and his return is real. Let's not waste time. Let's live every moment on fire for the one who gave everything for us. He's not just part of our story, he is the story. Let your life shout what your lips preach. Jesus is alive, and he's coming soon. If you found this message inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and follow us on social media for more uplifting content.